next song is quite a difficult one for me. I have two special requests. One is when you hear a song which you're happy to hear and you want to join with me. Singing is good. Clapping, it never ends well. When there's no drummer, sometimes it ends really badly. So if you could do me a favor, and if you really want to clap, you sit on your hands. But please feel free to sing along. And at the end of this song, if you leave me on my own, singing alone, I feel about 1,000,000 years old. So it's your choice. You can help me, or you can watch me suffer. Jennifer, we can't go wrong, let's put it in writing. Jennifer, we can't go wrong, let's do it right now. Maybe you were a little hasty, but they say love is blind. Now her name's on you, her name's on you, her name's on you, Jennifer in blue. Now did you ever have a bad dream, wake up a midnight star? Did you ever feel for a girl for a time and then scar? Well, it's written there in blue, with a heart and an arrow through. Her name on you, her name on you, her name on you, Jennifer in blue. And forever he said, that's forever he said, forever, forever she said, forever she said, yes, you do. You change with the weather, with the weather. This is the rain. Thank you very much. See you in a few minutes.